In this lesson, you will understand how Amazon returns directly affect seller profits and why even a moderate return rate can create financial losses for sellers. Now let me explain why returns can be risky for sellers. Let us look at a simple example. Suppose 100 customers buy your product from one of your listings on Amazon. That means you receive 100 orders. If all 100 customers keep the product and no one returns it, then you receive the revenue from those sales after Amazon fees and other costs are deducted. However, in real Amazon business, some level of returns is almost always expected. When a portion of customers return the product, the seller must process refunds and handle returned inventory and sometimes deal with additional logistics costs. The financial impact of returns depends on several factors. These include the product's profit margin, the product category, the fulfillment method you are using, and the overall product cost. For example, if a product has a high profit margin, a small number of returns may still be manageable. But if the product has a low margin, even a return rate of 5 to 10% can significantly reduce your overall profit. This is something many beginners misunderstand. They focus only on sales volume, but experienced sellers always pay close attention to return rates. If return rates become too high, the seller's account balance can decrease because refunds, fees, and adjustments are deducted from the seller's account balance. In some situations, the balance may even temporarily become negative until new sales cover those deductions. Running a business on Amazon already requires careful financial planning. When return rates increase, sellers must monitor their profit margins even more carefully to avoid unexpected losses.